Hello, my name is Tom Beal. Many people know me from working with the one and only Mike Filsame from 2006 to 2011. We held numerous live events. We had numerous $1 million plus product launches and became the hub of internet marketing during that time. So many great, impactful stories and memories, and most importantly, clients that we have changed the trajectory of their lives over the years. And then I went on to work as president for Rich Sheffrin at Strategic Profits, where once again produced numerous amazing products, live events, and services for entrepreneurs around the world. And then on my own, traveling the world, speaking on stages, helping entrepreneurs get from where they are to where they want to be in a amazing, simplified manner. And along my journeys as an original co-founder of Marketers Cruise, I was fortunate enough to cross paths with James Neville Taylor. And James not only is a dynamic individual with an incredible story of dealing with anxiety, depression, potential suicide with some attempts, and journeyed into the entrepreneurial world. And very quickly, like I found out, he found out, wasn't the simplest path. Yet through perseverance, determination, dedication, trial and error with a lot of errors, he was able to forge a way that allowed him to create a lifestyle that he had only dreamed of. And in doing so, he conquered his mental anxiety, depression, health, the mental health issues and challenges that he was facing just a few short years prior, and wanted to lend a hand back to help people who were going through those mental health challenges and help them understand what he learned through his journey on how to simplify wanting to be an entrepreneur, to bridge the gap of how to earn income as quickly as possible in a systematic, calculated, strategic manner, not haphazard by any stretch of the imagination. So he put huge amounts of time, energy, effort, and resources into a product called Tailor Your Best Life. And it's releasing soon. And I've been fortunate, like I said, to cross paths with him on the Marketers Cruise and at various live events over the years. He actually visited with Wanda and I here in Boca Raton, Florida, South Florida, when he was in Miami and in Florida on some of his travels not too long ago. So great friends with him and great respect for him and what he's done, not just for the lifestyle he's created, but lending a hand to others and helping them on their journey to create levels of success that, like James, will unlock their dreams and turn them into reality. So he created Tailor Your Best Life. And he's like, hey, as you know, I've been putting a lot of time, effort, and energy into this. Would you mind taking a look at it? Sure, take a look. So I took a look behind the scenes and I saw what he had put together. And keep in mind, I've worked with some of the best known internet marketers, published authors, personal development experts, in most of the best and well-known names in those industries, and have seen some incredible things. And when I saw James's program and what he had actually put together, I recognized the tremendous amount of attention to detail, the dedication, the commitment to cross every T, to dot every I, to leave no stone unturned, to do it for his clients who were fortunate enough to cross paths and purchase this amazing, I don't even call it a course, it's a course with trainings, but it's also a done-for-you system. And so it fulfilled what Mike Filsame and I found out years ago. When we were producing products and services and things of that nature, whenever we had an opportunity to share it with some friends, we knew that if we got feedback that was along the lines of, oh, wow, it looks pretty cool, that looks nice, we didn't have it dialed in yet. We knew that when we showed it to people and they said, holy crap, how can I get access to that right now? Where can I PayPal you money? Where can I send you money right now? We knew we were onto something. And that happened with many of the products and services that we released over the years. Holy crap, I've been wanting something like this. I'll send you money. I want access now before it goes live. So when James showed me Tailor Your Best Life, I was that person. I said, holy crap, like I don't want to wait for the launch. I want it now. Where can I send you money? And how can I get access to it as quickly as possible? And that's what you're going to see. You're going to have the holy cow moment when you take a look and James shows you what he's got in Tailor Your Best Life. And it's going to be a high ticket item at around $1,000. So like I think the $997 price point. And it could literally be $1997 or $29.97, like $2,000 or $3,000 easily with what he's put into it and what it actually does for the people fortunate enough to get it. So go take a look, and you're going to see, like I and many others who have been around the block and have seen a lot of stuff. And most of the stuff we saw, at least for me, speaking for myself, I could see the intent that people had, but they didn't back it up with the work that needed to be done. James, not only do you see the intent, you see the work has been done. That's why it's taken him as long as it's taken him. That's why the investment of time, energy, and resources has been immense, because it's not at the good enough level. It's way past the good enough level. It's at the amazing level. And it's going to positively impact many lives, including the joint venture partners who are fortunate enough to get on board, put together an amazing bonus package, share it with their people, and take advantage of the incredible affiliate prizes and gifts that are not tied to any minimum guidelines. It's ridiculously amazing for joint venture partners and for those joint venture partners' clients who are fortunate enough to get James's product along with the bonus that those JV partners put together for promoting it with all they've got. So I'm excited. I guess I could show you real quick. Like, here's a peek behind the scenes, kind of like lifting the hood. This is inside my members area. So, if I go back to the quick start guide, hello friend, this is me. The plug and play. This is the brilliant one. Right now, there's 230 emails. There's going to be over 365. 12 one-click brandable PDF lead magnets. A full white label affiliate marketing course with 22 plus videos. 12 custom capture pages for each lead magnet. 12 custom thank you pages for each lead magnet. 1 custom sales page for your affiliate marketing course, plus more being added. Traffic, Rolodex, monthly contests, masterclass sessions, Q&A coaching calls, bonus modules, bonus resources, bonus case studies, on and on. It is absolutely phenomenal. And when you get into it, your jaw is going to drop as mine did, and you're going to recognize, holy cow, I can't wait to get behind this, gain access to it, do the minimal amount of effort to set it all up, and create all the assets that are then ready to have traffic sent to it, and reap the benefits and the sales and profits that are waiting for you when done. All right, so there you have it. I can't endorse this any higher. I am the first paying customer, and I know there's going to be many more. Go take a look at it. You too will be in that holy cow category. Like, wow, I am thoroughly impressed, and I'm excited to help share this with my people. All right, get in there, take a look, build your bonus package, and get ready to make some big commissions with James's amazing course, Tailor Your Best Life. I'll chat with you soon. Make today great.